What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to create an account with FaucetPay.io. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get straight into the video. FaucetPay is a micro payment wallet on any platform. Receive instant currency payment from thousands of websites and withdraw it to your personal wallet for a very low fee. When we scroll a bit down, here we have Get Paid in cryptocurrencies, multiple cryptocurrencies. Our platform supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Litecoin, Tron, and many other cryptocurrencies. Here they also have a faucet list. Choose from an immense list of 600 plus faucets to claim from. We have a faucet list for each currency we support. They also offer offer vaults, surveys, and tags which you can also participate to also earn money. Here you can see try out our offer walls where you can earn $10 and more every day. They also have Get Paid to click in Bitcoin. They also have a referral program, and they have a lot here that you can participate to earn cryptocurrency. So let's get straight in signing up. So here we click sign up. So on the sign up page, we have to fill in our information. So here I'll put in my username. Then I'll repeat the same email. I'll create my password. Repeat the same password. Then I'll click here accept the terms and conditions. Then click I am a human. So let's just look. Okay, this aeroplane. This is another one. This is another one. So let's verify. Let's click sign up. Your account was successfully created. Please confirm your email address before you log in. The message will send to our email for us to confirm. So let's go to your email that you have used to register. So confirm link. So just click on the confirm link and you click I'm a human. Then search for both. Let's see, verify. Then sign in. Okay, they are telling us for a 2 verification challenge. So check your email. Please check your email and search for the email with the one-time login code we just sent you. Please enter that code here. So let's go back to our email and get that code. This is the code. Just copy the code. Then we paste it here. Then we click log me in. So it's as easy as that. Here we have created an account with FaucetPay.io. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.